Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chatsiri, or you can call me Chat for short. I am from Thailand and right now I am living in Germany. And in today's video, I want to test this toy washing machine if it will clean the beauty blender as good as hand cleaning. So if you're curious if this works, then keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will notify when I upload my next video. And now let's start it. So I've seen this all over the internet and I was just really curious and I was looking for this. There are many websites that sell this toy washing machine, but please don't spend like $15 or so for that because it's just a toy. You can simply find that on amazon.com. It's like $4 or $5. So yes, and this one needs 3A batteries. And right here I have the used beauty sponge. And I am going to fill the water in the toy and we're gonna start it. So sorry about the light because I'm actually using a natural light. And as you can see, I already fill up some water, and be careful, like this tube, if you don't put it up, it will drain the water. And I'm not sure what to use, so I'm just going to use my makeup cleanser. This is from Basquiat, the detoxifying black cleanser. So usually what I clean my beauty sponge is I will clean it with some oil first, massage it in, and then rinse it with water, and then use some soap. I usually just use like a bar soap, but we're gonna here to see. If this works, it will save a lot of time. This pump is hard to come out. I am going to put that much. You can see in there. And I will let it. Okay, that sounds weird. I will let it like mix the soap in a little bit. Wait, is the water on? That's weird. So the water was here and now it's like there. But right now I am going to drop this in. And maybe I will. This lid is annoying. Maybe I'll put the flat side down. It's not spinning at all. The lid is annoying. It's still pretty much the same. Okay, I just throw that water out, pour it out, and then I refill it. And this time I am going to use Dawn and see if this works or not. Okay, it's nice and foamy now, and let's pray. I really hate that lid. Okay, once I squeeze it, I can see some makeup come out from the sponge. You know what? This is not really working, so I'm going to stop. I see some makeup come out, but it's going to take longer than this, and I don't think that it's worth the effort. So I would just conclude that this doesn't work. It's a fun idea, but it just doesn't work. So I would just stick to my normal cleaning routines, and thank you for watching my videos today, and I hope you enjoy watching my video, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.